Hello, my name is Wendy Tran. I'm a certified health coach and founder of HealthyLittleBaby.com, specializing in preconception, pregnancy, and postpartum up to 2 years. And today we're going to show you how to use a pouch sling. I have my friend with me, Laura Brown. She is a baby wearing educator with Baby Wearing LA, as well as a postpartum doula. And she has me fitted in this slip-on pouch sling, and we are going to tell you how to use this sling and even the ring sling she's wearing.
Hi, Wendy. How are you?
Hi. It's so good to see you.
Good to see you too. We brought Max here to demonstrate how to really get good positioning in your pouch sling.
Right.
And a pouch sling is a simple piece of fabric. It's just a circle that you're able to fold in half and have a nice opening on top to place baby in. So we're going to grab Max and place him bump first into the sling so we're able to get him nice and high on the body.
Okay.
That way you can keep an eye on breathing and make sure baby is not in a chin to chest position, and you're able to lean down and kiss the top of baby's head.
And we're going to make sure he's nice and tucked in here.
Yes.
So he's close and cuddled. How does this look?
Great.
Okay.
And it's nice because you're easily able to purchase one of these for not a lot of money and really at any of the big baby stores.
Wonderful. Now, I was given a few of these as a shower gift, and I had difficulties getting the right fit because I'm so petite. And I actually opted for a ring sling like you're wearing here today. And so I just wanted you to tell everyone the benefit of a ring sling versus just a slip-on sling, and also show us how to get Max in there and how easy it is.
Yes, I'm a big fan of ring slings. They're lovely from birth through toddlerhood. And they're great because they have these 2 aluminum rings which help you to get a nice snug fit for babies of all ages. And as your postpartum body changes and baby grows, you're really able to adjust it to your needs.
Okay.
So I'm going to drop Max in, feet first.
Super easy.
Pull the fabric up and get a nice deep seat for Max.
Okay.
By tucking some fabric in between the two of us. And then while holding his weight, I'm just going to quickly pull on the tail all the way across and get it nice and snug.
Nice. And he's nice and snuggly and
nice and high.
close to
I'm able
mom.
to easily lean down and kiss the top of his head.
Great, great. And that is how to use a pouch sling. I'm Wendy Tran, and we'll see you next time.